Today I'm cooking my daughter's favorite snack, Crumbly chocolate chips cookies. This recipe yields about 50 bite-sized cookies. The ingredients needed are 315 grams of plain flour, 250 grams of unsalted butter, softened, 200 grams of chocolate chips, 60 grams of almond nibs, 72 grams of brown sugar, 50 grams of granulated sugar, 2 eggs, which is around 113 grams, 30 grams of ground walnuts, 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. The full list of ingredients is in the See More link. First, preheat the oven at 150°C for 15 minutes and prepare 2 15.5-inch square baking tray with parchment paper. Use a brush to apply a thin layer of butter. This is optional. Leave it aside. Next, sieve the flour and baking powder together. Leave it aside. Put all the butter in the mixing bowl, granulated sugar, and brown sugar. I am using the flat beater. Start the machine. Beat the sugar and butter for about 1 minute or until well combined. Next, add the eggs, salt, and vanilla essence. Continue beating until well combined. Scrape the side of the mixing bowl and continue to beat for another minute. Alright, stop the machine. Add in the flour and baking powder. Beat it on slow, which is speed 2, for about 30 seconds or until the dough is formed. Don't overbeat at this stage. Alright, this is perfect. Add all the ground walnuts, the almond nibs, and chocolate chips. Continue to beat at low speed for about 15 seconds, just until combined. Alright, this is well combined. Stop the machine and the cookie dough is done. Next, it's time to bake the cookies. With 2 long-handled teaspoons, scoop and drop the cookie dough 2 inches apart in the baking tray. This cookie do not really melt, so if flatter cookie is preferred, use the spoon to press it down a little. I will leave my cookie as is, as I like mine tall. Alright, all done for the first tray. Bake it at 150°C for 15 minutes. While waiting for the first tray, drop the cookies for the second tray. After 15 minutes, raise the temperature to 170°C and continue to bake for 2 more minutes. This is to brown the cookie on the outside. After 2 minutes, take them out from the oven and rest it on the cooling rack. Oh, it smells so lovely. Put the second tray in the oven and repeat until all the chocolate cookie dough is finished. Second tray is done. Remove from the tray and leave them to cool on the cooling rack. Once they have completely cooled down, place the cookies in an airtight jar. They will keep for about a week in room temperature. My daughter loves to dunk it in a cold milk for her breakfast or snack, so this will usually last for 2 days in my house. Let's eat! It's crumbly and chewy in the center. The cookie is not sweet. The nuts and chocolate chips complement it so well. So addicting. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!